Walk up, style clean. Why my girl, let me know you. Walk up, style clean. You are pretty girl, pretty girl, pretty girl. Why my girl, you are pretty girl, pretty girl, pretty girl. Why my girl, you are pretty girl, pretty girl, pretty girl.
Wagwan beautiful people, I am Chef B. If you're new to this channel, welcome Wagwan. Make sure you're subscribed down below. For today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a headband wig, and this is a kinky texture wig in 26 inches. Now I got this hair from wigginshair.com and I am absolutely loving everything about this headband wig. Now headband wigs have been the rave for the last couple of months, and it's the easiest and quickest protective styling that is out there right now. Like literally, I have my hair in some doodoo braids under this wig, and it is just something so convenient to just drag on and go. So this hair is kinky texture, it's straight, and then I put some loose curls in it. So I'm gonna show you guys how I prepped and styled the wig in literally minutes. Like it was super quick and easy and super convenient. Also, I'm gonna give you guys some tips if you have thinning edges, what kind of edge control you can use to make it look fuller so that you could rock and pull off this look. So the link will be in the description box. It's in 26 inches. They didn't label how much density this hair is on the website, but from the looks of it and how big the hair is, I'm guessing it's around 180% density. And also I'll leave a discount code for you guys to get a discount off of your purchase. So before we get into the tutorial itself, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, girl. You're already here, okay? Like, what you waiting for? And yeah, let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, so I'm going to be starting off with my edges. Since this is a headband wig, you want to make sure that your edges are laid. Now you can do your edges however you want. You could do the swoop to the doop, or you could just do the slick back. And to do my edges, I'll be using the She Is Bomb Edge Collection, or She Is Bomb collection. Guys, this is the best recommendation you guys have ever given, and you guys have been trying to put me on to this for over a year. Okay, but I refused to buy it online for double the price because it wasn't available in Canada at the time. So now it's available. If you're in Toronto, Canada, you can get it at BSW. So I got my hair in some jumbo plaits. I tried to get them as flat as I could, but I didn't feel like cornrowing my hair. Now a little recommendation for my girls with thinner edges, or just not that full to fully pull off the headband wig, you could always get some black edge control. Now I have the Natural Club black edge control, or you could try at your local beauty supply store or on Amazon, because I think the She's Bomb even has a black edge control. I'm not sure, but I'll double check. But I know for a fact that Style Factor Edge Booster has black edge control, so it will make your edges look fuller, like full flush look. Okay, now let's get into the hair. So as I said, the hair is from Wiggins Hair, and this is my package right here. So straight out of the package, this is what the hair looks like, and it is in 26 inches. I'll just take off the netting, and this is how the hair is looking. This is super full. Like, look at that, girl. What? I absolutely love this hair. Oh my god. Okay, so I've curled some over the side. I didn't know if I wanted to keep the hair straight or straighten it somewhere with flat iron or to curl it up. But because it's giving me like a natural kinky blown out look, I feel like I'm gonna keep it a little bit curled up at the ends, like the wand curls, instead of leaving it straight, because I don't know, it's just giving me a natural vibe with the wand curls. So we're gonna go with the wand curls. So I'm gonna cut this part of the video short, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys when I curl the other side. Okay guys, now this is my final look. So I'm giving you a blown out look with some loose wand curls. So advice and tip, if you're gonna straighten this hair, because I realized that I tried to straighten it on this side then do the wand curls, but the curls weren't holding that well after I straighten it. So you gotta make sure you make a decision if you're gonna straighten it before using the wand iron. So I don't know if it's my wand iron that wasn't holding the curls after I straightened it that well. So I don't know, but just a little tip and advice. But I am loving the carefree curls that is happening with this wig, but still giving me a kinky texture. So let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. If you have any questions, spam the comment section. Make sure that you like the video and share it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at @DamnThatChev. The link to the wig will be in the description box below, along with the discount code. How did I say like that? Discount code. Along with that discount code. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys. Mwah.